Baby, when I smash, you put your back in it. Get that first nut, then I'm back in it. Can you go deep? You keep asking it. Don't take a whole perk, she want half of it. Drug sex, yeah, yeah. Rich sex, yeah, yeah. I know you nasty.
Hey VanGang, so I am back with a new video, and today we are going to be talking about this curly bob that I got from a company by the name of Ruiyu hair. Okay, so I told y'all in another video that I really wanted to wear this out, and I had a vision of having a curly bob, like a wavy bob. So this is the unit, and I think it is absolutely cute. So in this video I'm going to show you how I apply the wig as well as how I style the wig, which was super duper easy and simple. And then we're going to get into the specs and all the information on the hair. Before we go there, let's get into the packaging. So this unit is from Ruiyu hair, and this is the packaging. It comes in a pink box. It does not come with a whole bunch of contents. It literally only comes with two things. It contains a pair of synthetic eyelashes as well as the wig. And the bag contains the specs of the unit. So this is what the bob looks like straight out of the packaging. It is 12 inches. As you can see, it has 4 combs on the inside, one on each temple, one on the top of the head, and one at the nape of the neck. It's adjustable and it looks really pretty. So I'm going to wash it and I'm going to come back once the hair is dry to apply this unit. So I'm back, the wig is dry, and this is what it looks like. I applied some powder to the inside of the lace, and as you can see, it pretty much looks exactly how it looked when I took it out of the packaging. I did comb through the hair a little bit. So I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued in the black bottle. That's the invisible one, and I'm just going to apply that to my hairline. This is going to be a quick tutorial because I'm one of those people that do not have time to be doing the most. I'm literally, when I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go, and I don't want to be working on my hair for a whole entire hour. So what I like to do is I put on a wig cap and I put one layer of the glue, and before it dries I just apply the wig and I press the lace right into that glue. That's all I do, and that's basically all I'm doing in this video. Quick, easy, and it comes out looking really, really good. I mean, if you want to customize it a little bit more, you could do so. I didn't do anything to the hairline, no plucking of any sort. I'm just working on the baby hairs, and I'm just making sure that it stays down. So I'm adding a little bit more glue to that area, and I'm working on my baby hair right here because that's the only part that's actually going to show, so I don't feel like I have to do the most on the other side because all of my hair is pretty much to one side of my head. So I'm adding some more powder to make it look like my scalp color. And that's pretty much it. I'm using this wet brush and I'm just brushing through the hair to make it a little bit more wild and untamed because I want like a very messy bob, like a messy wavy curly bob. And I feel like there's a little bit too much hair on this one side, so I'm going to take my scissor and I'm just going to razor that piece off. And that is going to be pretty much it. I love the way it looks, and yeah, I'm gonna add my earrings because the earrings is what sets this whole look off. I think everything came together. Tell me what you think down in the comments. So I'm about to give y'all the specs on this wig just in case you want to check it out, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it came out, and I think it came out really, really cute. So this wig is from Ruiyu hair, and I have in the 12-inch bob curly wig. So this is a curly wave pattern, and this wig is 100% density. It is in its natural color, and it is 100% virgin hair. This is 12 inches. As you saw, I only cut like a little tiny bit from right here, only because I wanted it kind of like a little bit more longer on one side. Each wig is going to be 115 to 165 grams. So I guess it's customizable and you're able to choose that. I got 12 inches because I think that 12 inch is the perfect length for a bob. So if you were looking to get a bob, I would suggest 12 inches if you want it to be right here, so that you don't have to do like a whole bunch of cutting. Also, a 12-inch bob will be cheaper than you getting a 14-inch bob. So it is 100% density, and I think it has just the right amount of hair. It is full, it looks really nice. You don't need a whole bunch of hair on your head, especially when you're rocking a bob. This is perfection. So what I did was I went in and I washed the unit when I first got it, and I just let it air dry, and after that I just kind of like combed the hair out. I did a side C part, and then as I applied it, I just combed through the hair just to get like a tousled look. I didn't want anything too uniform. I didn't want anything too, like, you know, too curly or too straight. I wanted something very simple that I have to do too much with, something effortless, and I think this came out amazing. So the lace melted pretty good. I really didn't do a whole bunch of styling. I just, you know, I don't be having time to do all the melting the bald cap and all that stuff. I just don't be having time to do that, and I'm pretty lazy when it comes to doing my hair. I want the best results in the quickest way. So yeah, I think this was a great technique. So let me know what you think about this bob. I'm gonna have it down in the bottom bar for you. I think it looks perfect with this fashion over top, and I absolutely love this bob, and as of right now I do not have any cons, so I would definitely say check them out. Tell me what y'all think about this look. Do y'all like the short hair on me? Do you like long hair on me? Tell me what y'all think. All right, and don't forget to thumbs me up, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.